Hey there, Rose Rodriguez Size with you to talk about what, in my opinion, is the worst kind of extreme weather. Heat. Averaged over the last 10 years, there have been more heat-related deaths than any other form of weather. In Arizona, this is what the weather averages look like for 2019. In contrast, by October 2020, we'd broken records because we experienced 100-degree weather 144 times since January 1st. We'd also had the hottest summer and driest monsoon season on record. The climate change happening globally has created extreme heat conditions in the US and even more so locally. There's been a steady increase in the greenhouse gases that are being emitted around the world, which trap the heat and cause adverse effects. As long as that continues, we can almost count on having extreme heat events happen more often, that last longer, and occur with increased intensity. Why is Arizona so blazing hot? There are a couple of things that contribute to this extreme weather condition. The heat is brought about because the high pressure of circulating hot air keeps the clouds that could be brought in by neighboring California away. No clouds, no rain. No rain, no relief from the heat. Because, as everyone in Arizona knows, we experience a dry heat. It's that dry air and high pressure that can keep things up to about 10 degrees hotter. Then, there's what has been called urban heat islands. It's a way to refer to the concrete jungles that our urban areas have come to resemble. Miles and miles of asphalt and concrete that retain heat. High-rise buildings that incorporate tons of glass that reflect sun upon one another. And throughout the city, all this making life in the city hotter than surrounding areas that boast of open land to diffuse the heat. During the summer, it's worse because the sun has more opportunity to get things hot and keep them hot, even at night. Dying of heat is just a hyperbole, right? Unfortunately, it's not. In Maricopa County alone, there were 133 heat-associated deaths reported as of October 3, 2020, with a large percentage of those deaths occurring during July and August, the hottest parts of the year. Before going out into the summer heat, check for local heat advisories and/or warnings which should tell you if there's adverse weather expected in the next 36 hours. Then, remember to stay cool by drinking plenty of water. Stay indoors where there's air conditioning and wear lightweight or loose clothing. Don't be a victim of the heat. These are some warning signs. If you stop sweating, get lightheaded or dizzy, or if your skin becomes hot or red and discolored, get inside and get cooled down. Don't panic, but call 911 so you can get help immediately.